美国民主党的总统候选人何金丽16日咧关键的摇摆州宾州造势，现场有100个的共和党人士甲伊徛台。因上新的民调是显示，Trump 甲何金丽的支持度已经是真瓦紧。
何前日16日宾州举行这礼拜第2摆的造势大会，徛台支持的是上百个共和党人组成的联盟，呼吁共和党的选民爱国比爱党是更较重要。
And as a military guy, I've always respected strength in leadership. And Trump is the opposite of that. He's a whiny, weak, small, tiny man who is scared to death.
The MAGA movement has veered away from Republicans and become a totally extreme group. I've maintained my Republican stature, but I can't support a movement that just doesn't stand for human decency.
何前日对这共和党人的勇气是表达敬意。接落来嘛参加保守派的福斯电视新闻节目的访谈，直接对偏右和还未决定的观众群，在移民问题和主持人一句来一句去。
You have to let me finish.
You
please.
had the White House and the House and the Senate,
I'm
and they
in the
didn't
middle
bring up
of
that bill.
responding to the point you're raising,
Okay.
and I'd like to finish.
Yes, ma'am.
这场总统的选战目前并无明显的领先者，包括 CNN、路透社和福斯新闻的民调，拢显示讲双方的差距是伫3%的误差范围内。联邦选委会15逼出来的文件显示讲，1万好野人马斯克3个月内捐差不多7500万美金，合代表是超过24亿的资金，互伊替川普成立的募款团体，比任何其他的团体拢较济。另外一个摇摆州乔治亚州的法官是裁定讲，选务人员必须在法定期限内验证选举结果，未当因为单方面怀疑结果就拒绝验证，延签定数。公司新闻司会长编译。